We're back. Calls of the day. We begin with Berkshire, reiterated by CFRA. They reported their earnings on Saturday, so stay tuned for that. Price target to $525. They're bullish into that number. They say they believe that Berkshire's insurance-centric, diversified revenue and earnings model is a positive for the shares. Josh, you go first because you own it, and then we'll hear from Jim.
This is the poster child for why you want to bias yourself toward long-term holding and weather and withstand the volatility. I remember on this show debating Doug Cass like 10 years ago with the stock at 50, whether or not it would go to 40 or 60. That's not what I do. This is what I do. I'm ride or die Berkshire B shares, and I think a lot of people are, and it's paying us all very nicely today.
Cue the emails now. Bang. All right, never mind.
Send them. Send that email. Let's see it.
All right. Jim.
So that was very well put. I'll also add that when I think about a stock like this, I try to think about what is maybe not known, not priced into the stock. And I think there's one thing. Obviously, CFRA is talking about the insurance business, but the railroad, I think, is very intriguing. Burlington Northern has underperformed its peers for quite some time. And there's a known playbook in railroading of how you fix that, precision scheduled railroading. It's just a matter of time before they institute that and get their operating ratios moving in the right direction. Maybe that happens this quarter, but eventually it happens.
Here's one for you, Jimmy. Citi, reiterated as a conviction buy at Goldman Sachs. Post their earnings report, they talk about a number of positive trends in place, improving credit metrics in their card business, momentum in the wealth business. What do you think?
Conviction buy. There's been times where I felt like I should be convicted for having bought that. Obviously, over the last year, it's done very well. I think just to go back to what I said a second ago, there are things that are not yet priced in but should be. In the first half of next year, you'll see the spin out of Banamex. I think that is not priced into the stock. I think that will be positive. Equally, there are some consent orders from regulators that I think in the first half of next year, they will come out from under, and that is not priced into the stock. Those are things to look forward to.
All right, Bryn, we got Visa this week. Mizuho, price target goes to $292 from $279. You own it. Tell me.
Okay, it's at $292, so I think you need to raise that a little bit higher. Visa is right at making all-time highs. This company does not miss earnings. They have very high margins. This last quarter, which they reported, they had emerging markets up 22%, cross-border in Europe also up 20+%. So I just think this is just an incredible high margin, moat-like business. Obviously, it's Visa and MasterCard that run the show.
Josh, round up this week now. We did hear from you yesterday about Uber, obviously post-earnings. It did get upgraded today, though, at Gordon Haskett to a buy. Attractive entry point brought by the sell-off yesterday. Stock's having a little bit of a rebound, 2%. Was down 11, though, yesterday.
Yeah, I thought the quarter they reported was great. I thought the guidance was great. I really don't understand what yesterday was about. Even the guidance they gave was like right in the middle of the range. I don't really know what people are looking for. I think yesterday was a blood red day for growth stocks. They picked the wrong day to not have a blowout number, I suppose. But this company is in incredible shape, and I'm really excited about the things Dara is working on for the future. So I remain long, and nothing has changed in terms of how I view this opportunity.
All right.